Special welcome again to my kitchen. Kojak said that, sending love to all of my fans them who supported my YouTube channel. Special big up to all of my subscribers. Big up and special welcome to all some new people who have subscribed to my channel lately. Welcome to KC family. Great to have you. Today I'm cooking up some curry chicken foot with beans, local beans that I planted, organic stuff. Before I show you into my pot, remember to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, tell your friends and family about my YouTube channel.
My good brother, Kojak, King Yellowman, saying hello.
Yes, King Yellowman, thanks a lot, man. Thanks. I know you always watch my videos. Then pick up yourself, King Yellowman. You're the real king of the dancehall, original King Yellowman. Seeing Kojak, always welcome you on my channel. Blessing, my brother. Remember the big interview. Seeing will be coming up. We don't really fix the date as yet, but that is a promise to all of my fans them on my channel. So fans, remember to watch out, for that big interview with DJ King Yellowman. I want to make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Therefore, you will not miss out on that big interview live and direct from Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel with the big general DJ King Yellowman.
My good brother, Kojak, give thanks. Give thanks for the comment and have a happy for King Yellowman. Alright? Zongo zongo go zongo zen. Zongo zongo go zongo zen.
Boy, King Yellowman, you have a great character, brother. Man, continue to watch my videos there, man. I know you love the channel to the maximum.
Yes, my good brother, Kojak. Watch the other video now with Farmer John, with the pop show, carving dumpling, breadfruit, banana, salt mackerel. No, I
Boy, man, Yellowman, me appreciate you, man. Me like how you're watching the videos there right now. Me I'll put some more fire underneath, some more coal under the pot, let this chicken foot get to simmer down the right way, So I added some more, juice in the pot a while ago, man. Continue to watch the video, man. Me love how you love how my channel around the place, Blessing, brother King Yellowman. Love that, man.
Yes, my good brother. My really brother, Kojak. Yeah, man, I can see that you are walking in Punish Town. I don't call it Spanish Town. I call it Punish Town because I know you're supposed to have a prison. Call it prison over there. Blessings, my good brother. King Yellowman say that.
Boy, I want real good brother King Yellowman. I love that, man. I love, how you always watch all the videos them on the playlist, man, of all the DJs them in Jamaica right now. Yeah, I'm my #1 fan. Me I tell you, King Yellowman. Seeing? Always been watching the videos of my brother, and giving a lot of rhymes, and humor. The people them love you, man. Therefore, I think that interview, what we have coming, it will be a great interview. So people now continue to subscribe to the channel. See? Go watch the interview. Maybe we might even do a live interview. See? Right from the Kojak Country Lifestyle vineyard here. See? So remember, we don't fix the date yet, but it's in the making. Definitely in the making, my fans. So remember to tell your friends and all the loved ones, to subscribe to the channel. Therefore, you'll get to see that special interview, exclusive interview with the legendary king of the dancehall, Yellowman, who have toured the whole world and is still touring, see, and doing lots of shows all over the globe. The original king of the dancehall. Chicken foot, beans, scallion, thyme, garlic, onion, pimento seeds, salt, ginger. So it's steaming down now, but I'm gonna put a little more fire in it and let it, properly done. Gonna steam some rice, maybe have some nice rice with it. Kojak. Country lifestyle. Country life is so nice. Yeah, oh, what a crisis we're living in. Things tough, but we're still not giving in. Kojak country lifestyle. Country life is so nice. Yeah, yeah, give thanks again, my good brother. Kojak, yeah, man. Love the country style video, them, Yeah. Keep doing the good job, my brother. You show up Jamaica in a positive way. Thank you very much, King Yellowman, man. Thanks, man. Thanks. Maximum respect, my brother. Every time, my good brother. Kojak, every time. Well, my fans, remember to subscribe, like, and share, comment on the video, my fans, and give Yellowman some good comment, leave some nice comment about the general man, King Yellowman. Then, because I make the curry chicken simmer down, I put some more little cola underneath there. This is extremely delicious, my fans, because steam down some white rice, to go along with it. My friends Chew Beef said they don't usually eat the chicken foot, and Patricia said them don't eat chicken foot, but I love it, I really love it. It's nice. Big up Catty Chin, Cecile, and all of the loyal fans them, and every new subscriber. Welcome to the family, and please, whoever watch my channel for the first time, hopefully you will subscribe, right? Blessing from Jamaica. Kojak said that.